Hi everyone, Miss Olivia Rachel here, and I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this high bun. I really like high buns because they're nice, quick, and easy styles to do once you have mastered how to get your hair up the way that you want it to. So the first step is to spray your hair with like a spray bottle of water. You could add oils and stuff as well, that's optional, and pick out your hair with a comb and go through with like an oil or a moisturizer of your choice, just because you know, you want your hair to stay moisturized and stuff while it's still inside this high puff. So the next step that we're going to do, we're splitting our hair into two parts, like a front and a back. This is easier to bring all of your hair up into a ponytail. Because my hair is thick, I prefer using more than one ponytail holder, just because usually with like one ponytail holder, my hair just won't be as tight as I want it to be, so that's why I do two. But as you can see, I'm just applying water where I need it, where I need the hair to, like, you know, give me length so that I can pull it up, because I don't really want my hair to be like completely stretched out. So that's why I use like water, because I can just like, it makes my hair more manageable. Right here I'm adding water to like the center parts of my hair, you know, the areas that I thought I missed earlier. And I'm going in with the Eco Style gel, the argan oil kind, and I'm applying that on my edges and the sides of my hair, just so that this high bun can look as sleek as possible. Now that I've put Eco Style gel on my hair and I've brushed it, it's time for me to pull it up into the ponytail. So I'm using just a regular old scrunchie, and I'm making it as tight as possible because I do not want my hair to come undone. So here I'm starting the process of pulling the second half of my ponytail up. I'm combing through with the wide tooth comb, and I've sprayed it with the water that's mixed with the oils, and I'm going to use some Eco Style and pull it up as tightly as I can into this top bun. So this is where the fun part begins. This is where the weave gets added. As you can see, it's all matted and stuff. So I'm about to comb it out. And I think it's combed out now. Yeah, I just combed it. So now I'm going to like place the track around my ponytail. As you can see here, I kind of like tuck the beginning track underneath the rest of the tracks so that it gets tighter, like the more I wrap the hair around my ponytail. Alright, so now that I've finished like wrapping the hair on, I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to start with the bun process. And this process is so easy. It just takes a minute for you to figure out like how you want this bun to sit up and how, like, what shape you want the bun to give you. So I recorded this video before class, so I kind of chose just a normal bun, specifically for the sake of time. And lastly, I am wrapping my hair and setting my edges. So I usually leave the scarf on, you know, for the entirety of me doing my face, which could take anywhere from 15 minutes to like an hour and 30 minutes. But for the sake of this video, I left the scarf on for like, I think 30 minutes. Okay, next are brows. I just wanted to touch up on this one product that I'm using. It's by Marc Jacobs. When I initially bought it, I bought it as a eyeliner pencil, but it turned out to be brown instead of black. But I didn't want it to go to waste, so I decided to use it for my brows, and it turns out pretty well. It's really fine. It has like a very I guess fine tip, so I can make like little eyebrow hairs if I wanted to, which is very exciting because I love making eyebrow hairs. Which is weird, but yeah, there I go, doing my thing. But yeah, I also go in with my Palladio pencil, which is like a perfect pomade into pencil form for your brows, and that is in the shade Dark Chocolate. You can purchase that from Sally's beauty supply for like $3 or something. So I kind of have some bad news. It's not really that bad, but I didn't record the rest of my makeup look because my camera actually stopped recording when I was in the middle of doing it. So that was very frustrating, but I will be remaking this makeup look sometime soon. And it will be way better because my skin is doing much better than it was when I recorded this video. So just stay tuned, and thanks for watching.